Hey, welcome to Dev Basics, where we inspire to create experiences on Roblox. Okay, so we left off with just overviewing the basics between a local script and a server. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to use variables, okay? So we did make a server script. We had a server script and we had a local script. So for today's, what we're gonna do is just gonna be very, very simple. So we're gonna use a local script because it only does it on the client side, as I explained last video. So I'm gonna show off some variables. So variables can be in many ways. So on a server script, actually, you could do this. Hello equals script dot parent. This works only on a server script. So to start off with a variable, so I'm gonna write here, I'm gonna show var variables can hold data from strings to numbers. And what I mean by that is that they can just hold it for later. So instead of writing, script.parent, which was get the parent. So this is the child of server script service, right? So actually, no. So for example, if I did script.parent in this script, it would get this. Okay? You understand me? So this is the child, and the parent of it is this. Okay? And you could actually just keep doing parent, and then it would get the parent of this, because this is a child of the game. Okay? Because, yeah. So, instead of doing script.parent, right, we could actually do local parent equals script.parent. So, a variable can hold information, right? Data. And it can basically hold almost anything, right? It could hold tables, strings, numbers, a lot of things, okay? So variables are very important because they can just shorten out and make it much, much easier for you to script. So instead of doing, script.parent, we could just do parent, right? But in this case, we don't really need to do this, right? Unless we're gonna use this a lot, right? So we could also even do local hello, right? Hello, local hello equals hello, okay? So in string, this is a string, right? Because it's in quotes, and hello, there you go. So that would be a string, right? A string variable. So this variable would be string. So for example, we could even do local number equals 4. See, we can hold this, we could hold data, so we could hold script.parent, and we could hold a string, we could hold a number, and we could even do a local table. Oh, see, some things Roblox already has, so we would have to improvise and do that. We could do this, globally bracket, and we could do hello. Let's just put a string in here. So hello. You could do this even. So then we could do another string and do that. As you see, we could even do tables. So variables can hold tables, which tables can also hold, as you see right here, it shows. It could hold numbers as well. So we could even do 2, 5, and 6. See, it could hold numbers and whatever. So I'm basically explaining that variables can hold different types of data. They can hold numbers, strings. So that shows that. So for a brief explanation right here, I'm gonna show you. So if we did, for example, here, I did a circle, right? Let's say this is your variable. So var is short for variable, so I'm gonna put var, right? So var, it can be called whatever you want, right? So yeah, so let's say your var name is hello. Okay, let's say if it's hello, right? Let's say your name for your variable is hello, right? So this variable can hold different types of data, like strings. It can hold numbers. It could hold tables, right? And it could also hold like script dot parent. So this is an explanation here that shows right here that it can hold, the variable can hold hello, it can hold numbers, it could hold a table right here, and it can hold other information like script.parent or like game.workspace. Yeah, so it can hold many different types of things. So you could say it's kind of like a file. Like, let's say, yeah, it's basically like a file, but it can hold like one specific thing, really. Right? So, to show off a string, right, we could actually do print. So this could actually print out numbers and stuff. So if we did like number, right, and we did hello, right? So if we printed these out, printing means it will print in the output, so it'll show in the output. So it will show number, and that would be 4, and it would show hello, which is a string that is just called, it says hello, right? So if we press play, right, we test this out here, and see, look what it says, 4 hello. There you go. That kind of shows how a variable really works, right? That's basically it for variables. Minecraft is about inspiration and learning, and I hope this video helped you with variables in Roblox. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!